Firstly, we need connection the cartridge flow path to the ICS2100 and connection the adapter cable. Connect the other end of the adapter cable to the XCE position of ICS2100. And the next step, we need configuration about the software. Click this one is display Chameleon management. And then click this button, it's configuration instrument. Then we can find out the instrument name ICS2100. And then double-click it. Find out the element generator. Click XC. At here we will input the XC or XCR. We need input the SN number about the series number. Then click OK. And then we need click Save. If you didn't click Save, it will not work. OK. After configuration finish, we come to here and connect the instrument. And then firstly, we set up the pump flow rate. And then we can set the concentration of the element generator. Like 5 millimole, click Open. As you can see, the screen is show you the set concentration and the real concentration. If we modify to 10 millimole, the screen change to 10 millimoles. It's running normal.